So this is just 1 carrot. I don't want to put much of it. Then after that, I'm going to add my onion. Hello beautiful people, welcome to another vlog, Grace and Elegance. And as you can see from the title, today I'm going to do a recipe for 2 people, and I'm going to share with you like the ingredient, what I'm going to use. And kindly, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell so that every time I have a new video, you're able to be notified and direct into my ingredients. Here, this is what I have. Like, I have some potatoes, I have a carrot, I have 3 eggs, I have wheat flour, and then here I have this onion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grate everything, like the potatoes, the carrot, the onions, and then I'll beat the eggs. I make a mixture. After that, I'm going to add this flour, and then I'll show you what I'm going to prepare. You see, just make it as fine as possible so that when you're making the mixture, it will mix completely. I'm hoping that one day I'll get a food processor so that it becomes so easy, you know. Oh, it's sliding. I don't know whether you like tear out when you're preparing onion, especially with these red onions. They are very strong. Though I like the smell of onions, it makes everybody know that there is cooking work going on, you know. I'm already tearing. Huh? I don't know whether you can see what I've prepared. See, this is the mixture that I've made, as you can see. So I'm just going to mix it like this. See, you see that? You see that? Woo! I can't wait to show you what I'm going to prepare. So when I'm done with the onions, the potatoes, and the carrots, I come and prepare my eggs. I'm going to use 3 of them. Yeah. Ooh la la, you can see that? I already have my eggs here. After that, I'm going to add some little water in the eggs, just a little of it, and then I add some flour. This is wheat flour, by the way, it's not maize flour. You can add like 2 or 3 spoons depending with the thickness that you want. The reason why I'm adding some flour, it's to make it thick. And then I have to add some salt. How did I forget to add some salt? You see that? So you make another mixture This is eggs, water, and some salt. Just mix it nicely. The spoon is taking some more time. Let me look for my... Yeah, this is what I'm going to use. You see that? Then you add it here. And then you prepare, like you mix everything together. Ooh la la, it looks so nice. I like it. See that? Yeah, it's already mixed, but I have to make sure that everything gets in completely. I think I'll have to add some coriander just to give it color. Yeah, I know the pan is already hot, and yeah, so I'm add little of it like that. I won't put 2 of them because I want to make sure it doesn't give me a hard time, you know. I have to use this in order to keep on turning it. Guys, let me show you what I'm preparing. You see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? You see that? Thank you so much for watching my video, for turning on that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you're able to be notified. What I ask from you is to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, if you're a returning subscriber, you're most welcome. What I request number 2 is that you share this video, continue subscribing and spreading love with good intention. You will never know what the other person is going through, you know. I love you. See you in the next one.